Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today's video is one of the most interesting best of waste project in which I'm going to recycle plastic bottle and we are going to make this very beautiful bird wall hanging. And in this project I'm going to use only two items. One is plastic bottle of course and second is wires, and we will use glass colors to give it that stained glass effect. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. After tying golden thread, our very beautiful and unique bird wall hanging is ready. So let's have a final look of this project. I hope you all enjoy the video and find this idea very interesting of converting a plastic bottle into plastic sheet and ultimately into a beautiful wall hanging, and no one going to guess that it is made from plastic bottle and not of glass. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.